Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. Do you know what the bones of something means? How about the bones of the business? The bones of something can refer to the essence or core of something. The bones of the business are the basic foundation holding everything else together. In this video, I'm going to explain what English speakers mean when they say the bones of. I'll give you some examples to use in the workplace and in social situations, so you'll feel more confident using this popular idiom. The bones of a business are the fundamentals on which everything else depends. They are necessary for the business to grow. You've just started working in a new company. During the onboarding process, your new colleague says, "So, now I'm going to show you how to navigate our system. It's vital that you have a good understanding of this. It's the bones of the business." Here are some examples you might hear in social situations. There was a big fallout between neighbors. The bones of the story is his dog kept using the neighbor's garden as a toilet. I have the bones of the contract done up. When I get the nitty-gritty details ironed out, I'll contact you to sign it. I am in the process of writing a story about my life. I've only got the bones of it done so far, but it's a good foundation for what I want to include. Here are some examples you might hear in professional situations. The interviewee impressed so much. He even detailed the bones of the business to the employer in the interview. When the presentation was over, the audience was unimpressed. The presenter only explained about the bones of the product. My business is still in the early phase of startup. I have the bones of what I envision for the business, which is an excellent platform to build on. Where did you hear the expression, the bones of something? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.